Action.
Hi, I'm Tess, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a word problem. So first, you should read all the directions. So, solve the problem and answer should be in the blank. Don't forget to label A and B. Tess's word problem. Jessica eats 40 pieces of candy each day. How many pieces of candy did Jessica eat in a week? How many pieces of candy did Jessica eat in the month of October? Then, well, if you don't read all the directions, you most likely won't get the answer right. So, second, you have to read, the second rule is you have to underline all the key information. So, you have to underline eats 40 pieces of candy each day. Many pieces of candy did Jessica eat in a week, and how many pieces of candy did Jessica eat in the month of October. And you could just, actually that's, third, you should figure out what the question is asking you. So, like, you have to figure out how many pieces of candy she's eating in a week. You have to figure out what that question's asking you, and how many she ate in the month of October. You have to figure out what that question's asking you before you can go on to the problem, so you don't mess up. Fourth, when you're doing it, you should show all your work. So you would have to do 40 times 7, and then 7 times 4 is 28, so it's 200 pieces of candy per week. And then you would do the exact same thing. So you would do 40 times 31.
And why did you do 40 times 31?
Because there's 31 days in the month of October, and she ate 40 pieces of candy each day.
Okay.
Each day. So 40 times 31. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. Cross 1. Put the 0 down here, and then you would do 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer would be 1,240 pieces of candy and it would be 1,240 pieces of candy per month. And then you have to label all your answers so the teacher knows what part you're doing. So for per week you would do 280 pieces of candy, and for the month of October you would do B, because that's what it says up.
What might happen if you forgot to put that on the MCAS?
Then you probably will lose a lot of points. And then
the grader wouldn't know which problem was which, right?
Yes. And then 5 would be, and then for 6, you would have to check over check over all your answers and questions. So like, make sure that you did this wrong, right? This right. So you could do like 7 times 40, 7 divided by 40 to make it, no, 7 goes into 280, and you would 7 goes into 280, and it would come out to be 40, and then you could do
So you do the opposite operation to make sure you're correct?
yes, and you would do the exact same for this, but you would actually do 31 goes into it's 40. And that's how you would figure out a word problem.
If you didn't get 40 there, what would you do if it didn't come out to be the same?
Then you would have to do the problem all over again.
Check. Okay, gotcha.
So,
All right, thanks, Tess. Nice job.